Welcome to Happy Learning English. Good morning to all my lovely children. How are you? So, before we start, let's tell me what day is today? Good! Today is Monday and the date for today is 16 November 2020. Now, are you ready for the lesson? Good job! Today, we are going to learn phonics sound ought. So, ready? Go! Ought. Ought. O ought. Teacher. Ought. Ought. Cot. Seeker. Ought. Cot. 婴儿床 Dog. The ought. Dog. 点 Hot. Ought. Hot. 热 Pot. Ought. Hot. 锅 Tot. Ought. Tot. 婴儿 Now it's your turn to read. Good job! Children, please repeat after teacher. A tot. The cot. A tot is in the cot. A tot is in the cot. The pot. A dog. The pot has a dog. The pot has a dog. Done! So, now, what are we going to do next? It is an activity time! Please take out your phonics activity book and open page 26. First, let's see. Circle the correct word for each picture, which means that you look at the picture and find the name. So, for the first picture is dot. So, you need to circle the dot word. Next, trace and write the words. So, just follow the dot and complete the words. We are going to finish our page 27 as well. Write the correct word in the blank to complete each sentence. For the first picture, a tot is in the cot. So, we just need to write tot inside the blank, which means inside the line. So, can you finish the task? Good! Remember, play, learn, and grow together. That's all for today. Bye-bye.